Welcome to Hunker House, a first-of-its-kind experiential storytelling platform curated by Hunker editors. Complete with a design workshop, immersive content studio, hospitality suite, and shoppable lifestyle showroom. Our home is built to leave a lasting impression from URL to IRL. Located on Abbot Kinney Boulevard in Venice, California, our home sits at the heart of experiential retail innovation. As a publisher, everything we do lives on at our permanent address. We work with partners to create content for our audience and theirs, connect with communities and consumers, host our favorite creators to spend the night, and create innovative campaigns that drive awareness, consideration, and conversion. So come on in and get comfortable. We'd love to help you bring your brand story home to reach our digital audience of millions and beyond.